Hey y'all, I got sent over some Walkie Talkies today. We're going to take a little look at them and see what we got, and we're going to see how well they work, so stick around. Hey, these say they are unlimited distance, easy to use, no monthly fees, single chat, group chat. So you can link these things up with other Walkie Talkies, or you can talk just between the two. And they're supposed to go completely over the country. They actually use a cellular signal to communicate with each other. So let's get them opened up and see what we have here. Look, we have a lanyard. Wear that around your neck if you want to. USB-A to USB-C charging cord. Oh, comes with a charging block. A lot of things are not coming with these charging blocks nowadays, but these do. It's like a belt clip. You've got a small wrist lanyard too. Wrist strap, whatever you want to call it, and hang it from your wrist. And finally, we have the wow, those are kind of small too. Our Walkie Talkies here. Now the contents of this one's going to be exactly the same, so at the moment there's no use in opening that up, but when I get ready to try them out, we'll definitely need to open them. Oh, we got some more stuff under that. This got some headphones here. Open this up and see what we have here. There's a headphone with a mic on it for hands-free communication. This will plug into the side of your walkie-talkie. Should be right over here. Yes, plug in just like this. Gives you your hearing and your talking part. You have your jacks right here. One's going to be your mic, one's going to be for your headphones. Right below that, we have a USB-C charging port. In case you couldn't see real good, there was our USB-C charging port. And there was our headphone and mic jack plugs. The plug is made on one piece. So you just take and plug it in just like so. Just like that. That's all there is to that. Wanted to bring this up a little closer, you could see it. You can edit the group. You can add users to the group. Each radio will be assigned a specific name. Underneath the battery, it has a little, looks like a battery cover, but there you will find you'll have a built-in SIM card right there. And they say that you can use these things unlimited usage, and it's supposed to last a year, and it says you can get another data plan, but I have to find out more on that data plan because I'm not seeing anything in the book, but I will find out and add it here in the video. Service and SIM card renewal. Each SIM card included with the radio comes with 1 year of free service, unlimited PTT voice communication. After the first year, the service renewal cost is, at this time, $47.50 per SIM card per year. You can renew in one of two ways, and I will put the links down in the description for you to check out if you are interested. There we go. Get that snapped on there. Power this one up. Now it's got a QR code on here. I'm going to scan that QR code. Well, it disappeared. The other one had the QR code too, but it disappeared as well. I thought maybe because I pushed the buttons, but it just disappeared. Now this says GO1 too, because I thought that might be the radio name. Oh, okay, that's GO1, this is GO2. Okay, here is your settings. You can scroll through these. I'm trying to hold this where you can see it. Use the up and down arrows right here. You got your group, your member, your settings, and then mine. You go into settings, push the little center button right there with a green line on it. And you can do your display settings, volume settings, keypad lock settings, key wake up screen, call in wake up, voice play settings, power saving mode, signal value, double card settings, information, battery information here. Just curious. Power is 93%. Service information, GPS information, IME, and QR code. You can do a factory reset and the APN settings. that is your settings there. Hitting that little green button to back out, and just hit the button right here. Hit it again, and it goes back to the main screen. Now that little belt clip, it's got 2 screw holes right there. That's where you'd put that. Nice little radio. Let's see, we'll test. Test. It is working. Sounds pretty good. I want to see how good they sound. Now, I can't travel across the country to put these to the test, but I can separate one from the other by several miles, and we're going to do that next. So let's see how it works out. Okay, we're going to see how well this works. I'm in a part of the town we live in, a very bad signal. Usually can't get a phone signal right here, but we're fixing to try it out. Okay, are you there? I'm recording.
Yes, I'm here. I can hear you loud and clear.
Sounds good to me. I'm over here where the dead spots are here in town. Working good. Bragger. Hey, can you still hear me good?
Clear as day.
Okay, I was recording this and getting the final thoughts on it.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. I'll talk to you in a little bit. I am about 17 miles away. This will reach a lot further than that, but this is what we got to work with for this trip. When I get back to the house, we'll do some final thoughts on it, and I'll tell you what I think. Okay, well, as you heard, they did a really good job. There was something I was wanting to point out to you, though, that I've discovered in the last couple of days using these a little bit. The USB port right on the side here, if you plug in a charger into this right over here, it will not charge. However, down here on the bottom, there is a USB-C port that will charge the battery. Now, I looked in the diagram on this radio, and as you can see on this, if you'll look at yours, when you get yours in, it does not show this USB-C port down here, but it is there, and that is how you charge that battery. Anyway, that was one of the main things I discovered. Other than that, it did a really good job. It's definitely a thumbs up. If you'd like to get your hands on one of these, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. And also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and give it that thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.